Hi, good morning. Beauty of whatever kind in its supreme development invariably excites the sensitive soul to tears. Edgar Allan Poe. The adjectives sensible and sensitive evolved from the Latin sensus, which means the faculty of perceiving. According to any dictionary, especially to the American Heritage Dictionary. Well, today we are going to discriminate when to use sensible and when do we use sensitive. I've been asking some of my students, what does it mean for them sensible? And most of them are linking sensible with emotions, feelings. Well, let me tell you something. Sensible is related to rational. So, for example, sensible. What is sensible? If you know that you are going to have a long walk, it's sensible not to wear high heels. Or maybe if you know that you are going to get in trouble, it's sensible to avoid that situation. Apart from that, what is sensitive? Sensitive is the ability to perceive other people's emotions. For example, I'm a sensitive person because I like to listen to others. And I like to figure out what do they feel or think. A sensitive person is always looking for someone else's emotions, and also it's really easy to hurt. For example, I'm a sensitive person, and now that I am pregnant I feel more sensitive because whenever you tell me something that is rude, I feel bad and I start to cry. Okay, thank you for listening. That's all for today. And let's create your examples. Bye bye.